Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the music in VN app. Let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN. So I'm going to open this. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the plus icon. So we have to click on the plus. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to click on the new project. So let's click on the new project. And after that, we need to select the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So let's select this. And after that, we need to hit the next button. So let's click on the next. And after clicking on the next, as you can see, the video will be open like this. Now simply you have to click on the first layer. As you can see, the first layer mentioned tap to add music, so we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the three options like the record, effect and music. If we want to add the music, then simply we will choose the first one. So let's click on this. And after that, as you can see, the musics are divided into group wise like vlog, pop and dynamic. So I'm going to choose this one, like the vlog one. And after clicking on this, you have to choose that which video, which audio you want to use. For example, firstly we have to download these. As you can see, after clicking on this, if you want to fade in or fade out, you can also do that. And after that, simply we have to click on the right icon. And after clicking on this, the audio will be added. So in this way you can add the music in your video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.